Would you like to feel calm sitting in meditation? Well, I have 3 strategies for you for how you can sit. First one is just like so, crisscross applesauce. Now, the second one, I'm going to show you how to do a half-lotus pose. So a half-lotus, you set one foot and you stack your other foot on top. Now, a full lotus means you're going to take this foot and bring it up here. Now, for me, that is harmful for my knee and I've injured myself. So I select to do the half lotus, but a full lotus is good for you and it doesn't feel any harm on your knee. Go ahead and try that as well. Now, another way you can sit is the butterfly pose. To do the butterfly pose, you just put your feet together, feel your heels connected, and then just hold on to your toes. Now, I'm going to go ahead and sit. The crisscross applesauce is my favorite. And now, what to do with your hands. So when your hands are facing upward, you're ready to receive information from your highest and best self and your source energy. Now, if you want to have your hands facing down, that's a grounding technique to ground to the earth. Helps you feel present right here, right now, in this space or time. So choose which way you like, or you can do a mudra. Now, what is a mudra? It is a hand gesture you do with your fingers. So think of your fingers as energy conductors to help regulate heating and cooling energy in the body. And we can channel all the elements through our fingertips. So hold up your hands. Your thumbs represent your solar energy, your fire. Think of the sun rising and setting. First finger represents your air, your victorious breath, breathing in and out your nose. Your middle finger represents the universe. Your fourth finger, your ring finger, ground it to the earth for your earth finger. And now your pinky represents water, making sure you're drinking water, half your body weight in ounces a day. Now, hold up your hands. We're going to do, I've got several mudras available, but let's do the focus mudra, also referred to as the Gyan Mudra. So hold up your thumb. Now connect it to your first finger, your fire with your air, like okay. And now place that on the inside of your thighs. And I want you to feel the connection between the thumb and the first finger. And that circle represents your target for what you want as your desire. Do you want to feel more calm? Do you want to feel abundance? You decide what it is for you. And then you can go ahead and sit comfortably and just close your eyes and practice breathing in your nose and pausing your breath and breathing out your nose. So those are my strategies for feeling calm during meditation. If you would like more strategies, go ahead and follow for more information. Subscribe, and if you have any questions, reach out to me, and I look forward to you for next time. Namaste.